Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on this amazing camping guide book for beginners. So let's get right into this fantastic review. So what I have in front of me is an amazing camping guide slash survival guide for beginners. This book was given to me as a gift as I'm trying to be more of a nature man. And the reason why my wife bought this book for me because I wanted to develop some basic camping skills and survival skills. And this book is pretty amazing. So I'm just going to go through just a little bit of the book with you. You have about 88 skills you can learn. 88 skills you can learn. I'm not going to go through the whole book because this is going to be a surprise for you. And each skill is very important. It teaches you how to survive out there in the nature, in the woods. Like, for example, you can learn how to set up a tent. You can learn how to sharpen an axe or hatchet. You can also learn how to make a fire. You know, campfires are very important because it keeps you warm. You can cook over your food, and there's different ways to make a campfire. And this book is a very great, gives very great explanations on everything. So like I said, there are 87 steps, 87 skills you can learn. And they come with great pictures. I'm going to go ahead and show you a picture of it. Okay, so for example, how to sharpen a hatchet or axe. As you can see, it has the axe here. It has a description of the different parts of the axe. And they have very simple, basic instructions that you can follow here. Step 1, drop a peg into the ground. Step 2, step 3. So as you can see, the descriptions are very short, but they also provide a lot of details in order for you to get the job done. And like I said, if you're a new camper, and you want to learn some survival skills, this book is mainly for beginners. And I haven't even gone through the whole book. There, like I said, there's 87 tasks. I may be done about 15. And I truly look forward to doing more of these tasks throughout the summer of this year. And I just think this book is an amazing book to purchase for people who are looking to improve their skills, learn some new tips or tricks. And yeah, this is a book that I definitely highly recommend. And I just want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this review. And I will see you in the next video.